Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Origami Teepee Tent. And it's a really cool design that I made. And it's really clean. And it does stand. And this is what it looks like. And what's really cool about it is that if you make it from big paper, it can be a birthday party hat. And here's what I look like wearing it. If you fold it from big paper, it can be a birthday party hat. Do I look cool? Alright, this is from a 14-inch square of kami, by the way, but I'm going to show you how to fold it from a 6-inch square, because that's what most people have. Alright, here we go. And also special for my members only, I'm going to show you how to make it a bit narrower, like this one. And on this side, it's a hexagon instead of an octagon. And when you become a member, you'll get access to that addendum tutorial and other members only tutorials. Alright, on with the Teepee Tent. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this Teepee Tent, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami, but you could use a sheet of print paper cut square or any size square for that matter. I'm going to make a colored Teepee Tent, so let's begin with the colored side down. So this will be the color of the outside of the model, and we're going to fold in half in all directions. So we fold it diagonally in both directions. Now we're going to fold in half this way in both directions. Those are crickets you're hearing in the background. Okay, unfold. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this paper and we're going to fold it up, and we're folding right on the middle point. And you want to fold it up so this crease aligns with that crease underneath it. And also you want this crease to align with that crease, and you're folding on the middle point. And once you got it, crease sharply. Okay, now rotate and take this corner and fold it up over the edge. And that corner should align with the crease under it. And now fold this up, aligning with the raw edge. And also make sure the corner aligns with the crease. And this one, fold it up over the edge. And then this one, fold it up, aligning with the raw edge below. Okay, now grab this flap, and then, yeah, grab the flap, and just kind of unfold it like that temporarily, and then unfold like this. And then make sure the white side is facing up, and refold this in like that. Okay. And let's reinforce this one, just to make sure it's nice and sharp. Now undo these back flaps behind. Here, hold on, I'm gonna put the crickets in another room, because I'm sure they're bothering y'all. Okay, sorry about that. I just put them in the bathroom. Okay, so white side up, and let's refold this like that. And then same here too. So this is gonna be the inside of the tent. Alright, now we're gonna turn over on this side. No, actually not turn over on that side. We need to make a few more folds here. So, oh look, looks like we already got that one. But we're gonna make them in all directions. So, we're gonna rotate like this, and take this corner. So this is one corner of the octagon, and then fold it to this corner. So to the opposite corner. And crease sharply. And unfold. And you want to keep doing that until you got all the creases here. So you should get the idea. Okay. And one more. Just keep doing this until all the creases are evenly spaced apart. And it looks like I'm good. Yep. Okay, now turn over on the colored side. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick a corner of the octagon. I'm gonna start with this right corner here. So we're gonna pinch the crease that hits the corner. And then we're gonna fold it onto the next crease above it. So we're making a pleat fold. And actually it's, you could do it like this, but actually I think it's easier to also pinch the crease above it. And then bring them both together. That's actually a lot easier to do it like that. And then make sure it comes to a nice point because it's going to be the top of the tent. Alright. And you can't really crease sharply because it's inside. Actually, there is a way you can crease it sharply. You can hold it like this and then place it on the desk and use your fingernail and crease it nice and sharp. Like that. But you really don't need to do that. That's only if you want to. Okay, now you can undo that. And now we're gonna take this crease now, pinch it, and also the crease that hits the corner of the octagon. And we're gonna do the same thing. And we're gonna do the same thing all the way around too. So bring those two creases together. Okay, and I'm not gonna crease it sharply this time. I'm just gonna crease it like this. Okay, and undo that, and then now the next crease, and then the corner crease. And you should get the idea, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. Alright, and this is what it should look like. Just get those glitches out of there. So you can see, it's starting to look like a tent. So now what we're going to do is we're going to lock all of these corners together. So it takes the shape of the tent. So this is how we're gonna do it. So we're gonna, alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this pleat like that. Turn over on this side. And make sure it's on a flat surface. And we're gonna fold, I'm getting my pointer tool here. So we're gonna fold this up in between that point and that point on all layers. And it's okay if the paper kind of slides a little bit right there. That's totally fine. This is going to be inside the tent anyway, and you don't really need to look at the inside. So yeah, it's going to slide a little bit, and that's completely normal. Alright, and do not unfold that. Keep it folded permanently. Now, we're going to do the same thing all the way around the model. So, let's turn over back on this side. And let's make this pleat again. Turn back over. Hold it on the flat surface with your finger. And do the same thing. So we're going to fold this up in between there and there. And the paper might slide a little bit, and that's totally okay. You could hold it together to make it not slide, but that's not necessary at all. Okay. And again, make the pleat, turn over, and fold in between that point and that point. And you should get the idea, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. Okay, so make sure all those are nice and sharp and folded. And now, this is the time where you can get out any glitches. So let's just kind of reinforce these folds. That way the edges of the tent are nice and sharp. Alright, and once you did that, your Origami Teepee tent is all done. So yeah, I think this is a really nice model. It's pretty simple to fold, and it looks really nice. I love the result of it. So yeah, there it is. And maybe if you want, you can make little stick figures or something, and you can put them inside the tent, and you can make a bunch of tents. So yeah, there it is. And you can also stack them, and then you can put them away. Oh, and also this model is collapsible. You can collapse it for storage. So just flatten it like that. Very simple. And you can put it in your pocket, and you can show your friends. And you can deploy it. So yeah, this model is kind of an action model. It collapses and deploys. And it stands nicely just like that. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it useful. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys next week. Alright, bye-bye.